There's been so many of you guys who have been asking about this, so it's here. Today we are going to count my locks for the first time in 8 years. I have never counted my locks myself. I don't know why, it just hasn't been a thing, but lately a lot of you guys have been asking me to do it, so we're gonna do that together in this video. This is the first time that I'm counting my locks. So here we go. All right, so Simone, my loctician and Sisterlock consultant, she came yesterday and she helped me by sectioning my hair into chunks of 25. So I'm gonna count them for the first time myself. I'm gonna put on my glasses because I need to see. But she sectioned them into groupings of 25. So we're gonna go ahead and count. 25, 50, 75, 100 locks right here. Okay, and guys, make sure that you guess. Go ahead, put in the comments, where do you think we are gonna end up in terms of the lock count? So we were at 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300. We're almost halfway, okay? Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We talk about how to rock your locks. So if you haven't done so already, please take this moment, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, and maybe give me a like or two. Let's get ready for the next section. And we have 25. So then we have 325, 350, 375, 400, 425, 450, 475, 500, 525, 550, and then there's a few here at the back that I'm going to count, and I've got 19 here and 12 here. So that gives us, what is that? 550 plus 19 plus 12. Dun 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 dun! We have a total of 581 locks on my head. I really thought that there were gonna be way more, which is crazy. I thought I was sitting around like 700 and change, but apparently I'm not, which is crazy. And this is one of those things where you never can tell how many locks are actually gonna end up being on your head, because it's all based on, the density of your hair. And even though my locks are small in terms of the size that I chose, I just thought I'd have way more locks on my head. So I want to see, what did you guys guess? How far off were you, But But that is it for today's video. Just a really quick one. I just wanted to do this with you because I know there's been so many of you guys who have been asking about this. So if you want to see how I do my big voluminous curls, make sure you watch this tutorial video next. It's heatless, it's easy, and you look fabulous when it's done.